This product, e-commerce incident management, is intended for online retailers who have a huge customer base across the globe. In case of any incident happening at their order location, they will be well informed about it in near real time. Thus, they can accordingly make the action plans and achieve high customer satisfaction. Here, as you see that the live incidents are being tracked through RSS feeds, which are automatically mapped onto Google Maps. On clicking on this incident, you can see the incident details and the location where it's happening. Now I can traverse to any incident location. Here on this page, all the locations that are nearby to this incident location and are affected are automatically again mapped on the Google map. In this bar chart, you see the amount impacted per location, and from here you can traverse to any impacted location. Since this amount seems to be high, I traverse to this location by clicking here. All the orders that are being placed and that are at stake on this location are shown in this table. Here in this pie chart, you can see the amount impacted per order. Now, if I see that the amount impacted by this order is very high, so I simply click on this order to see the order details. Here the order details are displayed. And now, in order to help shipping agency make the action plans, I can click here, notify shipping agency. This would send a mail to the shipping agency and they'll be informed about the incident and they can track the order which is at stake. Now you see here the mail is received by the shipping agency. See, this mail is received by the shipping agency which informs it about the order that is at stake. And now I have to inform the customer about the expected delay in order. But before that, I would like to go and check the customer details and know how important that customer is for a company. Here the customer history data is shown in the line chart. This history data shows that how consistent the customer is with their orders and how much business and revenue that customer has given to the retailer. As I see that since the customer is highly valuable and has given a huge amount of revenue to the company, so company at their discretion may decide whether they simply want to notify the customer that there may be a delay in order so that they can accordingly manage their order, or they can have an option of reroute where you can notify the shipping agency about the possible rerouting option and make the order available to the customer as soon as possible. This will basically help these online retailers to achieve high customer satisfaction levels since there's a cutthroat competition, so it will give them an edge and keep their customers happy, which will in turn increase their business.